guys, it's Michelle and today I am sharing with you my Chanel collection. Who doesn't love Chanel? It's just a fabulous, beautiful brand, very classic. So I'm going to show you everything that I have from Chanel in regards to handbags and small leather goods. I have everything laid out in front of me. So I'm just going to start off with the small leather goods. Okay, that's like the fun stuff. I'm going to start off with what I use most often. This is the classic card holder in black caviar leather with gold hardware. Ralph got this for me a while back and I use this the most often because it is just very practical. It fits everything that I need on a daily basis, and I switch my bags pretty much every other day, so it's so easy to take it out of one and then put it into another. Like I said, it's simple. I love it. It has a pocket in the front and then it has two slots in the back, and then in the center it's a bigger slot so you can put cash folded in there or whatever you need it to. But yeah, I love this. Next up is another wallet that Ralphie got for me a few years back. This is the classic long flap wallet in black caviar leather with silver hardware, and when you open it up it has that gorgeous classic wine color lining. I believe this has 16 credit card slots. It has one big pocket back here. I just have my authenticity card in there. The zipper pocket in the middle, you can hold your coins. I don't use it that much as an everyday wallet anymore because it is pretty massive, so it takes up a lot of space in my bag, but I use it more as a clutch nowadays because it's big enough to fit my phone in there, and I'll use it during the evening time for dinner or whatever. But I love this. Next up is my newest addition to my collection, and it is this cute, adorable little card holder. I love it so much. We got it when we were going on our trip to Korea and Japan, and this just reminded me so much of Seoul. The color just pops, and when I saw it I was like, I have to have it. It is so cute, and it's in the caviar leather with gold hardware, and when you open it up it has one slot in the front and then a larger pocket towards the back. And every time I whip this out of my bag I get so many compliments on it. I love it so much, and honestly I had to kind of force myself to switch back to using this one because I've been using this a lot and I didn't want to ruin the color if I use it too much. But I love this color so much. It makes me so happy every time I look at it. Next up is my one and only clutch in my collection, and it is so cute. It's this little chili red clutch. I call it my little red pillow because it's so fluffy and puffy, and it's not a true red. In person it is more of a, what I've been calling it, a chili red. So it's more orangey brown red with silver hardware in the soft leather, and when you open it up, the inside, it's kind of like a jacket material. It reminds me of like a Montclair jacket. It's very like durable, so it definitely protects the inside of the bag. I only use this during the evening time because it is quite small. It just fits my wallet, my keys, my phone, and a couple of lip products. But I love this so much. It's so cute. Whenever I'm holding it, I'm like, oh, it's my little pillow. Next up, we're gonna go into my category of what I call my play bags. So these are just more like fun bags. They aren't the classic Chanel bags. And the first one is this Vanity case bag, and I absolutely love it. The color is so gorgeous. The hardware is a gunmetal silver. It is in the soft leather and it says Chanel on the top. It has a strap, and this is not detachable. I think the newer versions, the straps are detachable. And I picked this up in Dallas when I was visiting family. When I saw it, I was just like, oh my god, it's so cute. So I had to have it. And this just reminds me of like a big lunchbox. Like, I just love this so much. It's just like my fun play bag. And it has two large zipper compartments and then one large pocket in the front. So I oftentimes put majority of my items in the front zipper compartment because for this, the zipper goes all the way down, so the mouth opens much wider, whereas the back it opens probably a third of the way down. This is more for like safety. So if I'm traveling with this, I'll put my passport back here or whatever else. I'll hold it as a handle. I'll put it on my shoulder. It's just like a really fun casual bag that I love to wear on an everyday basis and literally get so many compliments on this. My next fun bag is this gorgeous bag that looks like a bucket bag from the front, but it's actually a backpack. It is so awesome. I also picked up this bag when I was back in Texas visiting friends and family, and when I saw it, I was like, this is unlike anything that I own, so I had to have it. And it has a pocket here in the front, and it is in that soft black leather, and this also has the silver gunmetal hardware. In the inside, it is actually quilted leather. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the entire inside is quilted black leather, and it has a huge zipper compartment on the back that starts from the top and extends all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So I use this the most for traveling, and what I also do is I have a detachable black leather strap from one of my older bags, and sometimes I'll just hook it on to both sides of these links, and I'll wear it as a crossbody, or I'll use it as a backpack, or I'll use it as a handbag. That's why I like wearing it during traveling, because it's so versatile and I don't have to worry about it. So this is awesome. I probably use this the most often. Now we're gonna move into the classic flap bags, and the first one I'm gonna show you guys is this medium quilted flap, and I got this at the Rodeo Beverly Hills Chanel boutique. When I walked in, I saw this bag from afar, and I had never seen a beautiful blue in this shade before, and when the associate brought it closer, she pointed out that it's actually a pearl metallic blue, and I was like, oh my god, yes, just here's my card, take my money. And another beautiful detail on this bag is the hardware is white gold. So it's not your typical yellow gold, or it's not silver hardware, it is white gold. So it's so pretty. Some people call it champagne gold, but she called it white gold whenever I was in the boutique. So I absolutely love it. And the inside, it is a classic double flap, and the inside is in full blue leather. And then of course the back has your classic pocket right there. Every time I see it, I'm like, oh, it brings me so much joy. You know, Marie Kondo, she makes you ask yourself, when you look at an item in your house, does it bring you joy? And this is just one of those items that definitely brings me joy. My next bag is this jumbo flap in the color beige clair, and I love this so much. It has the yellow gold hardware, and it is in caviar leather. I also got this at the Rodeo Beverly Hills Chanel boutique, and I just knew I needed it in my life when I saw it, because it's just a classic color. And the associate was saying this color is a lot more challenging to find nowadays. You really have to go to certain boutiques around the world to be able to get your hands on this. I don't know how true that is, but regardless, I love it. It is the classic double flap, and it has beige leather all throughout the bag. And yeah, I love this. I will never, ever, ever give this away. Like, never. And last but definitely not least is my classic black caviar flat bag in gold hardware. And I also picked this up from the Beverly Hills Chanel boutique. It's definitely a classic. I will never ever part ways with this. It is such a beautiful bag. And then when you open the inside, of course it's the double flap, but of course it has that classic wine burgundy leather interior. And quick tip with these classic flat bags, a lot of people wear them as a double strap, so it's just on your shoulder, or as a crossbody. But I've seen a lot of people do this, and maybe you may not know, because I didn't know until I saw someone else do it, but you can wear it as a little handle bag. So hold on, let me show you guys really quickly. So you can take the chain and tuck it inside the pocket of the bag, and then just use it almost kind of like a little briefcase. And it's so cute. I love wearing like a really nice outfit for dinner and then using this as a little handle bag, and it just adds a different like touch to the look versus wearing it as a crossbody or on your shoulder. And those were all of my Chanel bags. I love them all so much, but I do have things here and there that I wish, you know, were different about the bag. So if you guys want to see in-depth reviews on any of the bags or comparisons, please let me know down below. That was everything that I own in regards to leather goods from Chanel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Leave me any comment down below letting me know any suggestions or feedback, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!